How to create a Twitter business account. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, go to your application or Twitter application on your device. Here I've already signed up to my account. So you can see this is my account over here. Now this is my personal profile, which is a private account. So I just have to tap on profile and then tap on edit profile over here, then scroll down and you'll be able to see the option of switch to professional. So just tap on switch to professional. After that, tap on agree and continue, and you just have to describe about yourself and about your business. So let's say I'm gonna write I'm a digital creator, then tap on next. Then you have to select a category over here. So for example, over here I'm gonna select on the entrepreneur section, then tap on next. You just have to tap on business account, then tap on next, and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.